So today we are going to practice this wonderful technique called shadowing technique. It's also known as repetition technique. Now this technique will help you improve your speaking skills. It will also make your pronunciation better. It will help you expand your vocabulary and it will also boost your confidence. So what is shadowing practice? This is not repeat after me. This is speak along with me. Read the instructions carefully. So you have to speak along with me. You have to speak slowly and clearly. And you also have to copy my pronunciation and tone. Let's get started. Keep practicing along with. So this scene is about meeting a friend after a long time. You can practice this conversation with your friend. Hey Priya, is that you? Yes, Rahul. It's been such a long time. I can't believe this. How have you been? I've been good, honestly. Busy, but good. What about you? Same here. Life has been moving really fast. Tell me about it. Sometimes I feel like there aren't enough hours in a day. Exactly. Work, responsibilities, family, everything at once. So true. What are you working on these days? I'm focusing on building my skills and improving myself. That sounds serious. What kind of skills? Communication, confidence, and discipline. That's impressive. Why the sudden focus? I realize that if I don't improve now, I'll regret it later. That's a mature way to think. What about you? Any big changes recently? Actually, yes. I recently switched jobs. Really? How's the new job? It's challenging, but I like the environment. That's good. A healthy environment makes a huge difference. Absolutely. My previous job was too stressful. What made it stressful? Long hours, unrealistic deadlines, and no appreciation. That sounds exhausting. It was. I felt burned out most of the time. I've been there. Burnout is real. Yes, and people don't talk about it enough. So, what's different in your new job? Better management, clearer goals, and more teamwork. That sounds refreshing. It really is. I actually feel motivated again. Motivation changes everything. True, but discipline matters even more. I agree. Motivation comes and goes. Discipline stays. Exactly. That's what I've learned recently. Do you still get time for yourself? I try to. I started waking up earlier. Wow, that's difficult. It was at first, but now I enjoy the quiet mornings. What do you do in the morning? I read, reflect, and plan my day. That sounds peaceful. It is. It helps me stay focused. I've been trying to reduce distractions like social media. Yes, especially late night scrolling. Same problem here. It steals so much time and energy too. Definitely. I feel more tired when I use my phone too much. So, what's your biggest goal this year? Honestly, stability and growth. Financial growth or personal growth? Both. I want balance. Balance is hard to achieve. It is, but not impossible. What motivates you to keep going? The thought of a better future. What about you? I want freedom. Freedom in what sense? Freedom of time, freedom from stress, freedom to choose. That's powerful. Do you ever feel lost? Sometimes, but I remind myself that progress takes time. That's true. We expect quick results. Yes, and that's where we go wrong. Small steps matter. Exactly. Small daily improvements. I've started appreciating slow progress. That's growth right there. Do you still meet our old friends? Not much. Everyone's busy with their own life. Yeah, adulthood hits differently. It really does. But I'm glad we met today. Me too. This feels nice. We should catch up more often. Definitely. Let's not wait another year. Deal. Next time, coffee's on me. Perfect. I'll hold you to that. Before we leave, one last question. Go ahead. If you could give one piece of advice to your younger self, what would it be? Don't rush. Trust the process. That's a good one. What about you? I'd say believe in yourself more. That's powerful. We've come a long way, haven't we? Yes, and we are still growing. Here's to better days ahead. To better days ahead. Well done, students. Keep practicing, and I'm going to see you very soon with the next video.